Good day! Our topic for today is all about mixing solids with the other solids. Most essential learning competencies. Describe the appearance and uses of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Content standard. The learners demonstrate understanding of the different types of mixtures and their characteristics. To the learner, we are using different substances daily without even consciously noting it. It can be in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. This module focuses how different substances behave when mixed with the other materials. Let's learn this, describing what happened after mixing solids with other solids. Let's try this. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Number 1. Mixture is a combination of two or more particles. You're right. The correct answer is true. Number 2. When solid mixed with other solid, it changes its color, size, and shape. Good job! You're right. The correct answer is false. Number 3. Some solids after mixing with other solids can be distinguished from each other. Great! The correct answer is true. Let's move on to activity number 1. Mixing solid with other solids. I have here the pictures. What we're going to do is to observe if we can distinguish or cannot distinguish the components present in the following mixtures. Let's begin with mixture number 1. Can you distinguish the components present? Yes, it can be distinguished. The components present are sand and pebbles. How about example number 2? Can you distinguish the components present? Yes, you're right. It cannot be distinguished. It seems like it contains only one component. But the truth is, example number 2 is a mixture of white sugar and salt. How about example number 3? Can you distinguish the components present? Perfect! It can be distinguished. The components present are rice and corn grains. How about for our example number 4? Can you distinguish the components present? Correct! It cannot be distinguished. Just like our example number 2, it seems like it contains only one component. But the truth is, this mixture contains flour and baby powder. Now that we're done with our activity, let's try to answer the following questions. Kindly write down your answers in the provided answer sheet. Number 1. Which combination has distinguishable components? And number 2. Which mixture looked the same all throughout? Wow! You're right! The mixture with the distinguishable components are the mixture of rice and corn grains and the mixture of sand and pebbles. On the other hand, the mixture of sugar and salt and the mixture of flour and baby powder look the same all throughout. Let's remember this. Mixture is a combination of two or more distinct particles. Some solids, when mixed with other solid, cannot be distinguished, and that is what we call as the homogeneous mixture or uniform mixture. while other solid mixed with other solid can be distinguished from each other, and that is what we call as the heterogeneous mixture or the non-uniform mixture. Let's do this. Number 1. What is a mixture? And you are correct! Mixture is a combination of two or more particles. Number 2. What happens to solid when mixed with other solid? Perfect! Solid can be distinguished from each other, and solid cannot be distinguished from each other. Number 3. Why does each component does not change at all even when combined? Correct! It is because solids keep their own characteristics even if they are mixed. Number 4. How can you classify mixture? Great! It can be classified through resulting mixture. And number 5. What are the two classifications of mixture? You got it right! The two classifications of mixture are the homogeneous mixture or uniform mixture and the heterogeneous mixture or the non-uniform mixture. We do mixture every day, that's why it is important for us to know about it. Just like in preparing the food, we mix different ingredients to come up with the recipe that we want. Just like the pizza, fresh garden salad, a cup of tea, and many more. Now, it's your turn. Kindly give me at least 5 examples of mixture that you use daily and tell whether it is a homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Write your answers on a piece of paper and submit it to me on Friday together with your modules. Don't forget to write down your name and section. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson today. Till next time, goodbye and thank you, class!